G'day! In today's video I've got an Oppo A3 Pro 5G and I'm going to be doing a screen replacement. I've had this heating up on my blue pad here at 70 degrees and I will be using that to hopefully pry off the back with minimal effort. But time will tell. And as with most Oppos, you've got to go in through the back of them. With that starting to pry, I'll switch to one of these. Go. Now, I'm hoping we're to take off the panel, but I think we're going to have to take off the whole frame. Usually if you try and skip steps, it ends up costing you more time. So, do with that as you will. We'll need to take a SIM tray as well. Usually these cheaper models of phones, usually Oppos, tend to use the same screws absolutely everywhere. So usually you don't have to be too concerned about having mixed up screws. That will take out the lot. That started it. One more screw. Go, fold that over, disconnect here, disconnect the battery, and from here I want to pry and pull open the battery. Should be able to use the pull tab here. One step, two step. Fold that out of the way, put that off to the side. Now I've got the screen here. I'll move that out of the way for now. Fold it over. Don't see any damage to the screen, and I'm hoping that I can use enough force with a flathead screwdriver to push it out, like so. There we go. That came out relatively cleanly. There's a little bit of glue, glass over here. Now, with that cleanly taken out, I should be able to use just a simple toothbrush. Give it a brush. I'm pretty happy with that actually. Mixed up so I don't get anything dirty in the back, I'll put that there. I'll compare the old with the new. Layout of it looks fairly similar. Flex cable looks fairly similar. All going well. This should be okay. Go. I'm going to use some B7000 frame adhesive. Down this way. Yeah, we'll just put a little bit up extra in here. Just a matter of feeding it through. This bit I will leave attached, just in case I need to move the flex cable. So where that blue is, typically that should be removed and it should be a bit sticky. In this instance, I'd much rather get the screen stuck. And next up, line this up. Now push this way, like that. Put that down. There we go. Next up, the battery. Reconnect it. Back cover. Line up the power button, fingerprint scanner. Now I just remembered what I did forget. This one. Don't know if that's to seal it up or to stop light bleed or what may be going on there, but it came off, so I'll put it back. Okay. As you can see, this one had a bit of a hard life. Okay, give that a test. I will be back. And we do have Oppo coming up. So I'm going to proceed with the installation from here. I'm going to move this back on here to heat it up. Try and straighten that out. Nope. Down. Now it's a matter of putting all these screws back in. Oh, one little screw, two little screws. I suspect the two little screws go right here on the speaker. Being that looks like the smallest spot for them to go. There you go. Now I'll put another bead of B7000 around the back cover. Go. Fold that, flip that, stick it in a stew. Potatoes. There we go. Hope that helps. I'll see you guys later. Bye.